100% I'm sure, siguro sa web developers that are using AI, you're gonna have lots of advantage.
Sanay ka lang sa AI kasi kapag halimbawa may nasira,
Mahirap kasi troubleshoot.
mahirap i-troubleshoot sobra.
Yun talaga. By the way, for those that don't know what vibe coding is, it's like AI helping you to code. So before we have like different languages, like we have Python, we have C++,
C#, JavaScript, HP.
Now with AI, you can just type in the AI like, hey, create me a landing page, and it will create you like a canvas wherein you can preview, and the whole landing page is there. The whole app is there. That's what we call vibe coding, because you're vibing it, right? So as much as like very stickler web developers hate it, like anyone bro, who can type, who can converse with ChatGPT and other AI,
Just learn what should you say to or instruct to the
without even understanding web development as is. 100% I'm sure, siguro sa web developers that are using AI, you're gonna have lots of advantage. Those that don't.
I use it as my assistant.